It's an exciting day today. Why? Because a part came in from my Camaro. Give you a hint. What's that say? What's that say? Roto-Fab. My intake came in. Finally. I ordered this mid-January. Mid-January. It's March 3rd. Yeah. I called them after a month of waiting. They don't answer their phones. Place is called Vivid Racing, by the way. Don't think I'm gonna be ordering parts from them anymore. They're out of Arizona. Tons of cool parts on their website that I would totally order, but first thing I order from them takes almost 2 months to get to me. No emails, no tracking number, no nothing. They didn't say it was on back order. They didn't give me any of that crap. So after a month, I call them, no answer. Then I go on their website, I do their stupid little online chat thing. They tell me to just keep waiting. They're waiting to hear back from the manufacturer. So then I ask them, okay, so is it back order? They wouldn't give me the answer. I'm like, dude, just tell me it's on back order. Let me know, hey, it's gonna take a couple months. They're all sold out. They gotta make more. I would have been cool with that. But instead, it left me in the dark. And then all of a sudden, yesterday, it just shows up. I didn't get no email saying it's shipped, no tracking number, no nothing. Pfft. Vivid Racing, no way, dude. Anyways, rant's over. I finally got the part. Let's unbox it. But before we do, hit that button, hit that subscribe button for me. Come on, show your support. The more subscribers, the more support I get, the more better content I'm gonna bring you. Because trust me, you wanna subscribe. I got tons of cool content coming. You like fast, loud cars? I got Camaro builds. I got a 1,000 horsepower truck that I'm gonna be premiering soon. I got my 70 Camaro build that I'm gonna be starting. That's coming in a later video. I got my 2012 SS, which is this part that's going in right now. All that on this channel, subscribe. Awesome stuff, yes. Okay, with that out of the way, let's see what's in the box. You take the trusty blade. The blade. Okay, you see that precision cutting with one hand and holding the camera? Come on. It's like a kid in a freaking candy store here. Any car guy understands the enjoyment of opening up a box of new parts. All right, we got high performance packing material. We got in here. So we got a value pack of good stuff here. What is this? All right, looks like we got, got the clamps, got a vacuum line, wire looms, weather stripping, looks like for the box, couplers for the tube. What else we got? Oh, there's the intake tube. Very nicely packed. What else we got? All right. In this box, I'm sure it's most likely the filter looks like. Okay, more high performance packing. Save this stuff. You put it in your car, you get about 5 horsepower per pound. Trust me. And voila, the ginormous holy shit. All right, this filter, a little bit bigger than I was expecting, but hey, pretty awesome. The last thing, this, oh, wait a minute. So yeah, that's what it should look like after we install it. Looks like instructions, and it looks like we got decals, a bunch of other stuff. Now we got the big box. It's massive. So we got tube, variety pack of goodies. Let's open up this and see what that looks like. Huh? Shall we? I think so. We're getting somewhere. I see something. Ooh, it's pretty. It's pretty. It's gloss black. Look at that. Very nice box. Roto-Fab on it. This is a pretty thick steel. Eighth inch steel. It looks like it's powder coated, which is awesome. Very cool. goes in there like that. Filter side, intake tube side, the mass airflow going in right there. Very freaking cool. So, ladies and gentlemen, here it is. Roto-Fab Cold Air intake finally arrived. Very happy with the quality of parts. Looks like this. I was hoping this was gonna come in black, but it looks like it's in chrome, which is fine. Not a big deal. As you could tell by the picture here, it's a chrome tube, which is fine. If I really wanted it black, I could get it anodized. I have a buddy who does anodizing. But yeah, so this is the kit. It is going on that yellow Camaro way over there. It's waiting. We're gonna slap that on tomorrow. I'll have that on the channel. It'll be a more of a how-to video for people who want to purchase cold air intakes for 5th gen Camaros. You want it, you don't really know how to install it, don't want to pay someone to do it. It's fairly simple. You guys only need a couple ratchets and a screwdriver, basic tools, very low need to know automotive knowledge to get this installed on your ride. Shouldn't be an issue. I'll walk you through it, but until then, I'll see you next time. Peace.